Hey everybody, this is Leslie and you're watching Midlife and Nailing It. If you could please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Today I have for you a What's for Dinner, and this is a poolside edition. So this is the week that we stayed at my husband's aunt's house and house sat for. So let's go ahead and get started. Actually, I did want to come back in here and note really quickly before the video starts here that all of the vegetables you see, if I don't mention it, came from my in-laws' garden pretty much, besides the onion that I use. So I did want to say that because I didn't mention that for all the vegetables, just only a few, and they all came from their garden. It was the best week. I love vegetables. They're my favorite. And if you watch my channel, you know that. That's my absolute favorite food. Okay guys, so this week we're actually house sitting my husband's aunt's house, and we're having the best time because she has a pool and a jacuzzi and the whole 9 yards, huge deck. It's been fabulous. So I got easy meals just because I consider us being on vacation this week. We're just using the space in their fridge while they're out of town, so I just wanted to grab a little bit of odds and ends. I didn't want to make big meals or anything like that. So I thought I would give this a whirl. This is from Aldi. I've never had it before, and it's Breakfast Best is the brand. And it has all kinds of stuff like potatoes, and it looks like onions and green pepper, red pepper maybe, and some sausage. So you just fry this up, and then you add some eggs. You add 6 eggs, stir it up, and then add it to your skillet. I got 2 packages of these, so I'll do a dozen eggs, and that's going to be dinner tonight. I think I'm going to do some English muffins too. So I'll show you what this all looks like plated up. Okay guys, so actually I am going to show you what this looks like. Look at this, you guys. Look at those potatoes and the green peppers. Doesn't this look amazing for have been a frozen thing? I'm pretty excited about it. The smell is amazing. The vegetables look so fresh, so I'm pretty impressed with what came in those bags. I just wanted to show you really quick. And I know my lighting's not great. I don't have my lighting set up in the house that we're staying in right now, but I did want to show you how awesome of a product this is. I'm pretty excited about it. So this is the way that my egg skillet turned out. Randy and I are so impressed with the product that we used that had the potatoes, green pepper, red pepper, and onion in it. We were talking about all the things we could make using that packet of vegetables, and it also had sausage in it. Oh my gosh, it was like really high quality. We're so excited. So this is the scramble after I added the egg and cooked everything up. I'm serving it with some English muffins that I broiled up with a little bit of butter on it, and then I've got some cuties on the side and a glass of juice, and this is what is for dinner tonight. Okay guys, it's Tuesday, and I was going to make hamburgers today. I mean, I'm still making hamburgers, but mine's going to be without a bun because look at what I did. I went to broil them up a little bit, and I caught them completely on fire at my husband's aunt's house. And yeah, fire alarm going off and everything. Good times. Right, babe?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good times. But it didn't stop Randy. He picked the least burnt, and he's going to go for it. Here, I'll show you.
It's good enough for me.
He's going for it.
It gives it character.
Yeah. The rest of them, though.
It's flame broiled.
And I was so excited, you guys, because I love the Aldi brioche buns, and we don't go to that store as often as we should. And I've been looking forward to this meal all week, but it's okay. It's all right. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I've got my burger without the bun, needless to say. I'm so sad. I'm so very sad. And I went ahead, I grilled up some onions, so I've got that on there. I put on some pickles, mustard, ketchup on the side there. I have some olives that I cut up. I have some tomatoes from my in-laws' garden. Oh, so good when tomatoes are garden fresh, aren't they? And then I have an ear of corn here. The corn is also from my in-laws' garden. And then I've got some cottage cheese on the side. So that's what's for dinner tonight. It's Tuesday. I don't know if I already said that. But yeah, so that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Okay guys, so tonight is Wednesday night, and I went ahead and grilled up some pita bread, and then I've got hummus here. These are baby tomatoes from my in-laws garden. And then I just baked some chicken. I just cut it up and tossed it with some olive oil and seasoning. I've got a little bit of ranch on top of my chicken. And then these are some cucumber. And then I fried up some yellow squash and zucchini the way that my southern grandmother used to do it. And we're all very excited about this because everyone loves it because it reminds us of her, and she is just so good. And I actually made some of this for lunch the other day, and my son and husband were super jealous, so I had to throw it into tonight's dinner so everyone could be happy. And I'm sorry about all the background noise. This is just a really loud place that we're at this week. So that's what's for dinner tonight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so today's kind of one of those days. My son had car trouble, and we had to deal with all of that, so it's a paper plate kind of a day. I went ahead and made some nachos earlier today. I had some corn on the cob that I had gotten from my in-laws garden, so I went ahead and cooked that up, and then I cut the corn off of each cob, and then I also cut up an onion and then 3 jalapenos from their garden as well, so that it was ready at dinner time. I just used 2 pounds of ground turkey and went ahead and cooked that up with the onion and jalapeno. Once that was done, I added the seasoning, the corn, and the water as directed for taco seasoning, and I let that kind of simmer together for a while. And then I just put down some chips, a little bit of cheese, the meat mixture, a little more cheese, and I baked it on a cookie sheet in a 350-degree oven. And then I've just got, you know, some sour cream on the side there and some salsa on top from Aldi. If you've watched my channel before, you know I make nachos a lot, and it's never the same. It's really just kind of what I have on hand. And of course, we're doing things very easy this week because we're house sitting, so I didn't buy a ton of groceries, so I'm kind of making do with what I have for these nachos tonight. So I think I forgot to say tonight is Thursday night, and this is what we're having for dinner during our house sitting poolside week. Alright guys, so it is actually Friday night, and I just went for absolutely simple this night. I am using the fajita chicken, the kind that you get frozen even, and then we had a couple of onions left, so I cooked those up in some olive oil along with 2 green bell peppers from my in-laws garden, and then I went ahead and just steamed the tortilla shells in the microwave. And it's just like easy chicken fajitas, nothing special. That's what's for dinner tonight. And so that wraps up what we had for dinner during our poolside week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.